Guys, Ibrahim. Today is January 6th, 2025. Listen, what you guys are seeing on screen here, these are the prosecutors at the International Criminal Court. I would have done this in English, but again, I want to do this in Creole so that my people in Sierra Leone would understand exactly what I'm about to explain to them, how the International Criminal Court works. So, some people, these three people na the Sisonaya, na the prosecutor them na the International Criminal Court. So let's read first of all what's in the responsibility of the prosecutor them na the International Criminal Court. The office of the prosecutor is one of the four organs of the International Criminal Court. It is headed by the prosecutor, Mr. Karim Khan, KC, who was elected by the Assembly of State Parties. State parties basically now all the people who signed to the Rome Statute, all the countries them. The prosecutor has full authority over the management and administration of the office, including its staff, facilities, and other resources. The prosecutor took office on June 16th, 2021. So now Mr. Karim Khan take over the office of the prosecutor. So inside the office of the prosecutor, there are three. In the main prosecutor, they get two other assistants them. All right, would they reach that side? But in the discharge of his mandate, the prosecutor is assisted by two deputy prosecutors, Mami Mendey Niang and Nazat Shamim Khan, who were both elected by the ASP on that means the Assembly of State Parties on 10th December 2021 and took office on 7th March 2022. So that the two assistants, they will work with the prosecutor of the International Criminal Court. The mission of the office embraces the effective and efficient conduct of preliminary examinations, investigations, and prosecution of perpetrators of genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes, and the crime of aggression. The office of the prosecutor acts independently, impartially, and objectively, consistent with its statutory duties and core values. The prosecutor may independently open an investigation upon referral of a situation by a state party or the Security Council acting to address a threat to international peace and security. In addition, the prosecutor, under his proprio motu powers, may start an investigation on the territory or against nationals of a state party subject to confirmation by a pre-trial chamber of the court. So the reason why I read all this for Salon people, I don't understand how the courts they work. When I see, I think also with the we forget at least a pre-trial chamber on Maada Bio and all the perpetrators, the people who don't kill people them. Because if you look at the mission of the office, it states very clearly, say, the mission of the office now for embrace the effective and efficient conduct of preliminary examinations. Like we can kill McKinney, Paremaro Prison Massacre, all of these places. Basically, the court's now responsibility for make sure, say, all of those kinds of crimes against humanity. Of course, what happened at McKinney, Mile 91, Tombo, Lonsar, the killings na Paremaro, the massacre across that country for Generator. Those are crimes of aggression and war crimes and crimes against humanity and crimes of aggression. They all meet those requirements. So the question I get for Salon people, what do we need for do? Now for make sure say we get the way for bring this case come now the court where I believe say we don't write and all of them case they don't day. But why is that we have to compel Mr. Karim Khan as to why we know to go at least with a pre-trial, at least chamber, in the court. At least for Maada Bio and all the SLPP people, of course, the Lawrence Limas and all these people don't commit these egregious crimes against humanity. The police inspector general, the military people, the police, them, we responsible. Every one of them, the civilians that way, now the one that we assist in the crime. All of these people, we participate. Why we not go ask the prosecutor? Flow we continue for channel energy day. But of course, again, the APC opposition wait for the fact they are. Then you are not those planets in the leave. So Salon people, because then for the push them case, they're not even me. Now then people are in opposition, we then kill them people, and because most of the people we then kill them like today in SierraLeone, now because they are APC sympathizers, one way or the other. Now made them kill them and destroy their lives. And the party way for fed for them, they say don't move on right now. They don't care about waiting they happen. They say that 2028, the next elections. You see, this is how much they value in our life. But people like we there for it, continue for teaching and giving their information there. And I make a one on a series for ourselves. So again, like continue now. It is the policy of the office of the prosecutor that investigations focus on those individuals who bear the greatest criminal responsibility for crimes committed in a situation under investigation. So again, when you look at everything that has happened in Sierra Leone, don't forget about the elections that were stolen, right? Not that we really talk about that stuff. We're talking about the arbitrary arrest. When you look at even like this lady with the arrest to our hunt, all of those are crimes of aggression. I mean, this lady, they exercising rights to free speech, right? They don't get right for go arrest them. People go work in country, people like Karim Khan, and then go arrest them. All of these people kill leather boots them, kill Soribag, kill, people in that country for waiting. Even if they commit a crime, they say they are innocent until proven guilty in a competent court. So all of them people didn't kill, even then 2 guys they didn't kill recently. No, they can go and simply arrest those guys, but in the lie pan and tell we say then get gone. Then go then see Evangelist Samson and say gunfire exchange, then kill Evangelist Samson, all of these things, right? So they say the policy of the office of the prosecutor that investigations focus on those individuals who bear the greatest criminal responsibility. Who bear the greatest criminal responsibility? Now, Maada Bio, the president of Sierra Leone, whether they kill, ever he can condemn the act of killing of our innocent citizens, it is supporter. So, la continue now. The preamble of the Rome Statute recognizes that the court itself is but a last resort for bringing justice to the victims of genocide, war crimes, and crime against humanity. Thus, the Rome Statute assigns the court and the office of the prosecutor a role that is complementary to national systems. So again, what they say now, the court for work hand in hand with like the judiciary of Sierra Leone, if they're efficient. If Sierra Leone be an efficient country, but don't forget say, the SLPP gets Miata Maria Samba at the court. Now one of the judges there, at the court. Then they back now other aspect I'll go for Fentima go explain one day. But then people they all the master case there where Salon get inside that court there. And of course, now you don't get this, but you don't put as Minister of Justice and Attorney General. We don't work small in the criminal courts there. This man get all of these people where the mass we case the inside Sierra Leone, where make it difficult. But again, the opposition, we for take this matter on for defend the lives of Sierra Leoneans that are lost, not the fet we forfeit. But the Rome Statute in effort is complementary. Basically, and they supplement what governments they do, for assist in investigation. Where be saying can say, okay, if the Salon government do it for do properly, then the court take over. But one thing we're very, very important now, what we call the assembly of state parties. So for example, inside Sierra Leone, now we forget people where they make a recommendation, the right to the court as a state party, because Sierra Leone are part of the Rome Statute. Anybody, like how we don't do them over the years, we for continue for do them. We therefore write a letter for recommend to the prosecutor for investigate and prosecute for the crimes of aggression, crimes against humanity, everything would have happened at Sierra Leone over the past few years. I want to read this for another but this is the profile of the prosecutor. When I go zoom in on the page now, when I go read and get more details of them, I don't let it's too long because I'll let more people and get to understand them. But please, Mr. Karim Khan, we're waiting for the preliminary investigations, at least the preliminary hearings into Julius Maada Bio and the SLPP thugs that killed Sierra Leoneans over the years. It is within your right. You start an investigation on a territory or against nationals of a state party, subject to confirmation by a pre-trial chamber of the court. Please, at least let us start with the pre-trial chamber. That is all I'm asking for, Mr. Karim Khan. Thank you.